Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hopefully you are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm Salman Mahmud and I'm in grade 7. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about 22 sounds of English. On the next video, I'm going to discuss the another 22 sounds of English because there are 44 sounds in English. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we go. We are going to learn from words to sounds. Bad, b-a-d, bad, b-a-d. 3 sounds. Then we've learned bad and we are going to learn sad. S-a-d, sad. S is the new, so we've learned 4. P-a-d, pad. P is the new word. We've learned 5 words. P-a-d. B-a-d, bad. S-a-d, sad. P-a-d, pad. The next one, g-u-d, good. G-u-d, good. G and u is the new word. Sounds. 7 sounds we've learned. Then sh-u-t. What is it? I've understood this. Shoot. So we've learned sh-u and then t. We've learned 10 sounds. Then we've learned sh-e-p. Have you learned E sound? No, and we haven't learned P. Well, so it means we've learned 12 sounds. Then m-u-n, moon. Have you learned u? Shoot. So here we have learned m-u-n, 14 sounds. M-n. Then I've learned the. This one is the. This one. We should have the brush. This word is the. The. E. N. K. Think. 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 I've learned the, e, ink. 18. Then b-a, bay. I think we've learned b, or maybe, yeah. B-a, bay. Here, a is the new word. A. Where's the keyboard? Yeah, and with it, we have 19 sounds. E. This sound is called E. This is a sound and this is word. E. Can you guess which word? It's E. So with it, we have learned 20 sounds. F, L, I, fly, fly. And have we haven't learned F, L, A. Is 23 sounds? Or can't counting mistake? Oh, miscount. 11, 13, 17, 18, 19, and there are 3 sounds. F, L, F, L, A, fly, fly, I, F, L, I, fly. And we are done with 22 sounds. And today we have learned these words, these whole words, a day. And here, this is B, E, D, S, P, G, U, Ş, T, E, and then M, N, Th, I, N, K, A, E, F, then L, and this I, A, this is A and this is I. Well, and that's all. You can take a screenshot. I'll take a screenshot of this. And that's all. We're finished. Thanks everyone for watching till the end. And this is the part 1. In part 2, we're going to discuss the other 22 sounds. Till then, ta-ra!